Hi, it's Mr. Elmond. When you do your cardboard challenge, I'd like to give people the opportunity to mix up a cardboard project with a LEGO Mindstorm EV3. If you think about it, the EV3 has 3 motors, it has different sensors, it even has a button that you can push to turn something on or off. And so if you build something out of cardboard, you actually could give it moving parts that way, and you could program it with your iPad. So here's an example of something that I made with cardboard and an EV3. Okay, so this is a helicopter, and as you can see, it's a combination of cardboard and LEGO Mindstorm parts. And it may look complicated, but you should be able to build something like this pretty easily, because you know how to work the motors, and you know how to program them, and you know how to use the sensors. So first of all, you can see the EV3 brick on the bottom that's attached to the landing skids. Okay, you can see that there's one of the large motors in the back that controls the tail rotor. Now, this helicopter is of course not really going to fly, but the rotors will both move when I turn it on. If you look inside the bottom, you'll see that the medium motor is what's powering the rotor on top. So all I have done was I programmed each of those motors to spin. Okay, so now what I would like to do is reverse engineer this helicopter, which means take it apart so that you can see how it was put together. So you can see that the EV3 brick is on the bottom, and it's held together by the landing skids for the helicopter. Okay, and so if I were to take off the landing skids, okay, I just took some different pieces, attached them together. I'm going to unplug the 2 motors. Okay, you'll see I reinforced the structure that was holding the EV3 brick and the landing skids with a long piece inside on each side. I'm going to take off the top rotor, which I made out of cardboard. Okay, so I stuck a hole through the top. I stuck 3 holes through the top, and the rotor just looks like this with cardboard, and it will spin like that. And then I'm going to untape the tail. And you can see the tail rotor is also pretty simple. It's just a long piece that's attached to the motor. I made the helicopter from 3 pieces of cardboard and some masking tape. So first I cut out the outside shape. Then I used that to trace on another piece of cardboard, so I had 2 identical pieces. And then I took a long strip and taped that, and taped that between the 2 to connect them. And after I did that, then I started putting the Legos together. And first couple times I tried to attach the EV3 brick. It didn't work out. I ended up making extra holes on the side. At first I wanted it to fit up here inside the body of the helicopter, but then it got too close to where the motor hung down, so then I needed to drop it a little lower. So it's A lot of this is going to be trial and error. There are no directions for how to create these things. You need to use your creativity to build and program whatever you can imagine. Good luck.